begin this half hour with an unsettling story out of the East Metro. A large amount of infectious human waste, including blood and organs, recently landed in the regular trash facility for Ramsey and Washington Counties.
Now, the State Pollution Control Agency is investigating how unlawful shipments happened. And we should warn you that some of what you're about to see may be disturbing. Employees shared pictures with our Corin Hoggard and talked about the risk that they've faced.
More than 1,200 tons of trash gets dumped at the Ramsey Washington Recycling and Energy Center on an average day. Most of it gets pushed onto conveyor belts and sorted. Less than 15% of the garbage ends up in a landfill. The rest is recycled, composted, or sent to Red Wing and Mankato to be burned for fuel. But starting in May, employees noticed items that should not be sorted here.
There's no place, the solid waste industry for that waste and that added risk to employees.
Employees sounded the alarm over bloody bags, intestines, and bones sent here instead of one of the state's 7 certified sites for disposing of infectious medical waste.
And it seemed like the more we looked, the more we found coming from multiple locations.
Ramsey County Division Manager Michael Reed called it disgusting and unacceptable. The state requires healthcare facilities have waste management plans identifying their infectious waste and where it goes. They're supposed to train employees about proper disposal.
Some of those steps are falling apart, and I'm not sure exactly why.
Sending infectious waste here can be much less expensive than a proper disposal. But when it's spotted, healthcare facilities end up spending even more to remove it. Managers at the Recycling and Energy Center couldn't pinpoint every source, though, so they sent letters to haulers and facilities about the risks of improper disposal. They also got the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency involved. When I asked MPCA for public records of complaints it's received, they said they have an active investigation and can't release those records. They sent a statement saying, in part, quote, "Proper disposal is essential for the protection of human health and the environment." Employees at the Recycling and Energy Center felt their health at risk almost every day. They didn't want to talk on camera for fear of risking their jobs, too. They tell me infectious waste showed up frequently over the summer, but slowed down significantly since Fox 9 started investigating.
We continue to monitor the loads. It appears that there's less coming in now.
Violators could face a range of consequences from MPCA, but they often do not include any fines. In Newport, Corin Hoggard, Fox 9.